What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Patreon request today, Sawamura from Ace of Diamond. It's a baseball anime. I've never watched it. This was requested by Callum on Patreon. He wanted a close-up with his eyes, determined eyes, what he asked for. So, real big close-up on his face, right? Chin cut off, top of his forehead cut off. So, and head tilted, right? So the easiest place, I think, to start is like his eyebrow, probably, right? So we got this like tick line that'll go down like so, and then it'll go straight back this way. Real long, right? So we're real close up now. So the features of the face are really big. So we got this tick going this way, and then it'll go back, and we'll get gradually smaller as we go. Right, so, and he's got kind of hair at the front here, right? So the other eyebrow, just here then, you can see the tilt now, so it's going to go boom, that way, and then get real thin at the back, like so, and like some hairlines there, like so. Okay, so his eyes then are in underneath this, right? So we got like typical kind of anime eyes, right? We go diagonal first and bring it over. And then it kind of hooks down there. And you got to thicken this up. They're real thick now, so it goes up and back down. Just goes underneath his eyebrow there. And of course they're black when you color them in. So here's an extra spike here. Down like that, okay? And they're all colored dark inside. Okay, so bottom eyelid then, just down here, comes across up that way, real big eyes. And he's got like some stress lines around his eye here, you know, because he's like got an intense look in his face. And then his iris and his pupil. So we go down like this. Now they don't join together in this. So we just have like a gap here, and it's like thicker on top. So it's like a spike. So it comes down like that, like thicker on the top part of this line. This. Right, and then his pupil is kind of like an oval in the middle, and dark black. So you might have an eyelid line or something just here. Right, and then we have all this hatching coming down from the side of his nose, right? So that just shows some intensity. Like so. And then the other eye. So again, diagonal, cross. So real long now. And then it hooks down. Okay. And then again, you thicken it up. Down under the eyebrow, and then another section here, and then color it in. Bottom eyelid then, just here, And then iris again. Bracket sort of line. And thicker on top. Like so, right, and then an oval for his iris, or for his pupil, sorry, just in the middle. Like so, we'll try and keep similar size. And some stress lines around his eye again. Just these sort of dark lines, like that, and some hatching on this side, not as much on this side, and maybe an eyelid line just going that way. Okay, so nostrils, nostril here, nostril there, hatching on top of his nose, like so. And then his mouth. So his mouth like goes off my page. It's like cut off in the bottom of the image. So then we go across. Like so. So it looks like his mouth is closed at the minute. But we'll open it up. Box there. And then down around. Like that. And then his teeth stick out here. We've got like sharp teeth on the edge. Down around like so. And then his back teeth just here. Molars, so they're kind of square. These sort of bracket lines. Like that, and they have like bumping lines inside just to show. Like that. And then some sharp teeth for his bottom row of teeth here. Comes across. Like that. And his tongue then is just like in here, but you can just see the back of it kind of curving off this way. Okay, so I think he has a top lip line just here as well. And then his jaw. So it comes out from just beside the mouth here. On that side and here. If you have more room, of course, you could bring this to his chin somewhere down here. This is the image that was requested, so. Side of the face now. All the way up towards the side of his eye. Like that, and he has sideburns on the side here. Like so. And then his fringe, so he's got like long hair coming down towards his eyebrow from the center of his forehead. So coming down this way. Other one goes back up. Down. So, from here to there, and then some more over this side. So down, back up. There's one that comes in under this one. That, and then one coming down here. Some more. That, and then we can see his ears just here beside the sideburns. So coming around real big now because we're so close up on his face. See that in the bottom of this one here. So it kind of lines up on that horizontal to there. And then ear lines inside. So like this sort of letter J sort of thing. And then all those different lines inside. Like so, something else here. That way. And then his collar of his baseball uniform. And some more hair sticking down here. Like so. Like that. And then another line that way. Alright, so then more hair sticking out from behind his ear here. That, and some down here. And then his collar down that way, and this has another edge line there. Another line goes this way, and then like some more folds and stuff on his shoulder. And the actual line for his shoulder goes back this way. I wonder, I haven't watched it, so I don't know anything about this character really. Is he a pitcher? Is he a batter? Well, no, baseball, you're kind of a few things, aren't you? He's got like some sweat, like a bead of sweat on his face here. Oh, and there is these hatching lines. On the middle of his forehead. Just kind of gives him this intense kind of feel to the image. Right, but that's it. That's how to draw Sawamura. Am I saying that right? Sawamura Eijun. Eijun. Hope it was helpful, Callum. Thanks for the request on Patreon. Anyone else have specific requests of characters that I don't normally draw or shows that I don't normally draw from?